And we have Charlie Bird here, and we'd like to say a few words. Yeah, Charlie Bird was the first reporter on the 14th of February 1981, and we took the privilege of giving him the honour and unveiling this beautiful memorial that my cousin designed and made. Ronan Keegan, thank you very much. And I also want to say thanks to Ken, Deadline Couriers, who got it delivered free of charge also. Thank you. Charlie, I'm putting it on to you.
Thank you very much. Antoinette, I just want to say I came today from Wicklow and I got stuck in the traffic. But the remarkable thing is, 38 years ago on this night, I was living in Bray. I had 2 young kids. I was at home, wrapped up in my house, happy. And I got a phone call and I was told there was a fire on the north side of Dublin in a place in Artane. And I'm being honest with you, I didn't really know where it was. But I crossed the River Liffey at Liberty Hall. And as I came around the corner, I saw the city morgue. And it may have been 2 or half 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, but that image has always lived with me, as has the image when I arrived here. The shell, the smoke was still there. It was a freezing cold night. And over those years, working as a reporter, I would see the families I was involved in the story. You are a remarkable group of people. You are absolutely, you epitomise everything that is the strength of what this country is about. And I still say it, if this fire had been in the south side of Dublin, the answer would have been there by now. And I'll say another thing, you wouldn't have had to put up the memorial yourselves. It would have been done by the state, it would have been done by the people, or it would have been done by some business person. You are a remarkable group of people. Do not give up your fight and do not give up your struggle. What happened on that night will never ever be forgotten. Just imagine if it happened today. The world, the country would be convulsed by it. It was convulsed then, but it was swept under the carpet.
You said it.
It was swept under the carpet. And you, as a group of families and friends and relatives, you have lifted that carpet up. Continue to lift the carpet up. And do not give in. Keep looking for the truth. Because the truth will eventually come to you. And if it only comes to you in your heart and nothing else, well, so be it. Because I'm not so certain that the political system wants to give you what you deserve. But do not give up. And the one thing I will say, after all the years that I worked as a reporter, I could not be prouder to stand here tonight and to pull this cord and say, well done. You are, as I said, a remarkable group of people, and I remember that night well. I remember the faces, and I know the people that I've become friends with over the years. Thank you very much for allowing me the privilege of coming here tonight, and I'll do the unveiling now. Thank you.